Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold for a while your screen with a finger, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just click here once and you can see here all the available widgets of applications that we can add here. And for example, we can add the clock widget. Click for a while and click here to add. You can see that we can change the size of this widget to make it smaller or bigger. If you want, we can move this widget here on the screen, or also between the screens. We can create the new screens with the widget by this way. By the same way, we can add here the another widget. For example, here on the right side you can see the number of number of different widgets here in one application. For example, that can be the calendar schedule. Hold for a while and then drag it here, for example, just to add the widget on our device home screen. You can, by the same way, make it smaller or bigger if you want. And just to remove the widgets, you can hold for a while and click here to remove icon. By the same way, we can delete the second widget. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.